Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So in this is the fourth sub program under program 9. So this program we're going to do it using PHP. So let's see the problem. So they are asking us to create a web application that will list all the cookies which are stored in the browser. Okay, so these cookies should be displayed when the user clicks on list cookies button. Okay, so they're also saying that you can add cookies if necessary, right? So here cookies means not the eating cookies that you eat, but here cookies means like I told you in sessions in the previous video, you can store data on the client side in cookies. So what is a cookie means? It's a piece of information which is stored on client side. Generally it is stored in the browser. Okay, so cookie means just information, right? But it is stored on client side. But if you take a session data is stored on server. That is the only difference. Cookies are stored on client side, whereas sessions are stored on server side. So let's see the program, how to add cookies and again get the data within the cookies. So here is the HTML page where I am displaying a button. The button is saying add cookies. Okay, so this HTML page is going to display a button which shows add cookies. So when I click this button, the control will go to add cookies.php. Okay, so let me show the output of this code. So easy PHP dev server, right click your working directory, open link in new tab. So here is the output. You can see the add cookies button. Now I will write the code for this one, add cookies.php. Okay, so click on new, write the opening PHP tag. Okay, wait, since I need to display a button here, I need HTML code also. So let me copy this code and paste it here and save this file as add cookies.php. Okay, so it is saved as add cookies.php. Now let me remove some code here. Let's say instead of cookies demo, let me write add cookies as the title. Okay, now we will come to this later. Before this, let's write PHP code, closing PHP code tag. Okay, now here we need to create cookies and add cookies to the browser. So that you can do using a function called setCookie. Okay, so we are going to store cookies using setCookie function. So here you will store the data in the form of key and value pairs. Like let's say I'm going to store username as John. Okay, and I am also going to store the password. So password value is 123456. Okay, so I am storing two cookies. First cookie is having the data username as John, and second cookie is having the data as password and value as 123456. So this is called key and this is the value, and in the second cookie this is the key, this is value. Okay, so total two cookies, and after adding, let's print some message so the user knows that cookies are added. So cookies added successfully. Okay, and after this let's give two break lines because we need to display a button. Okay, so this is the PHP code, and now let's modify this. This is not add cookies, this is get cookies.php. Okay, and let's modify this as list cookies. Okay, so let me show you the output up to here. right? Cookies are added successfully, and now if you click this, you can again see the data in the next page. Okay, so now I have to write one more file, which is getcookies.php. So new, now here we'll just write PHP code, HTML code is not needed. Okay, PHP. So let's save this file. File name is getcookies.php, right? I am giving this name, getcookies.php. Okay, now you can simply write for each loop for displaying all the cookies that you have stored previously. So for each loop syntax is like this, for each. Okay, now how do you access the data which is stored in the cookies? So for that you have a global variable called cookie. Okay, underscore cookie. So all the cookies will be available in this global variable. It's a predefined variable which is already there in PHP. Yes, I already told you that data is stored in the form of key and value, right? So for that purpose, two variables, key and the corresponding value. Okay, now we will just simply print the key and value, that's all. Print $key. Okay, let's print some equal to symbol and $var. Okay, and after each key value pair, let's give a break line. That's all. Now let's see the output of this. Okay, you can see username equal to John, password equal to 123456, and this one, this is created by PHP, I mean the server automatically, don't worry about this, but these two things we have added, right? So let me show you the output again. So this is the HTML page. When I click this button, cookies are added and it is displaying message like this, and when you click list cookies, you will see the cookies which are already stored. Okay, so that's it, that is the program, creating the cookies and retrieving the cookies again. Okay, so please like the video and also subscribe to my channel for latest notifications, and if you have any doubts in this program, you can comment below the video. Thank you.